Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on INFINIX Zero 35G. So you have to start with opening your Google application and then click on your avatar and click on Google account. Now click on data and privacy and scroll down and click on delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your lock screen pattern and now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes and then click delete account. And now your account has been deleted and you can recover it by logging back into your account. So let's open the Google Play Store, for example, and then click sign in. And now let's enter your email address. And then click next. And now, as you can see, my account is deleted, but you can recover it by clicking next. And now you have to enter your account password. And now click I agree. Now click more and accept. And now your account is recovered and your parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.